For years, creators were told to build personal brands and constantly be visible to grow audiences and monetize their work online effectively. Personal branding promises loyal audiences, but it imposes heavy production, constant visibility, and emotional exposure that many solopreneurs cannot sustain over long periods. Recording facecam videos requires lighting, cameras, makeup, multiple takes, and extensive editing, consuming time better spent on products, customer support, and sales. When your identity equals the brand, changing niches becomes difficult. Audiences expect consistent topics and resist creators who suddenly shift focus or voice. Personal brands are hard to sell because buyers worry value disappears without the founder's face, voice, and public presence attached to content. Visible founders also endure personal attacks, doxing risk, and relentless commentary about appearance or mannerisms that distracts from business operations and well-being daily. Faceless YouTube channels focus on solving specific problems with tutorials, walkthroughs, and clear step-by-step guidance that users actively search for everyday tasks. These viewers prioritize results over personality. They want concise solutions like file conversions, tool setups, and campaign templates that fix a problem quickly. Simple formats, screen recordings, voiceovers, slides, stock footage, and animations let creators deliver value without revealing names, faces, personal routines, or public lifestyles online. Production friction falls dramatically. No makeup, no studio setup, fewer retakes, and faster batch creation that lets solopreneurs publish many videos quickly consistently. Faceless content is easy to delegate. Voiceovers, scripts, and editing can be outsourced to freelancers or generated using AI-assisted tools at scale. Separating identity from the channel produces modular assets, niche-focused libraries that can be transferred, rebranded, or monetized without founder presence or personal attribution. Multiple faceless channels form a portfolio of sellable properties, allowing founders to diversify topics and revenue without being tied to one persona. Audience feedback focuses on content quality and utility rather than appearance, reducing harassment and keeping discussions centered on practical improvements and requests instead. Faceless creators still build trust by demonstrating expertise, providing clear steps, citing sources, and showing results through screenshots or case studies regularly. Channels can monetize via ads, affiliate links, digital products, and lead generation, creating predictable income without requiring constant personal exposure or public appearances. Batching workflows allow one person to produce weeks of content in an afternoon, freeing time for product development and direct customer relationships. Outsourcing voiceovers and editing scales channels. Hiring freelancers or leveraging AI reduces founder time investment and permits focus on business growth and strategy. Anonymity protects family privacy and lowers stress, enabling entrepreneurs to operate multiple brands quietly while avoiding social media drama and public scrutiny. Faceless channels remain flexible. Creators can experiment with adjacent niches or spin up new channels without alienating existing subscribers tied to a persona. The core strategy is value-first content. Teach practical workflows, include timestamps and resources, and optimize for search intent, discoverability, and user queries. Analytics matter more than personality metrics. Watch retention, search traffic, and conversion funnels to iterate topics and improve video usefulness over time consistently. Invest in reusable templates, annotated scripts, and asset libraries so new videos can be assembled quickly and maintain consistent quality across topics. Solopreneurs can build scalable media businesses by prioritizing useful content, automation, and anonymity while protecting creative freedom and personal mental health over time.